Very good morning, students. How are you? Fine? Okay, that's very good. I know that you all are waiting for coming to school, aren't you? Okay, now your waiting has been going to be completed and your school is just going to be opened. So get ready, be healthy, be happy, and please do complete your every work in your both copies. Today in this session, I am going to start chapter number 8. Okay, this is direct and indirect speech. So what is direct speech? First we should know what is it. When you say somebody's words in her words or in his words as he or she said, then that is direct speech. For example, your friend Ravi said to you, I am going to Bombay. Now your friend's words you are saying to your mom. You said, Mom, my friend Ravi said I am going to Bombay. So you said your friend's words as he said. I am going to Bombay. You also said I am going to Bombay. It doesn't mean that you are going to Bombay. You are saying your friend's words as he said. So that is direct speech. But when you change them into your words like this, you say to your mom, Mom, Ravi said that he. You are not saying I am. You are saying that he was going, that he was going to Bombay. तो आपने अपने फ्रेंड के वर्ड्स को चेंज किया है. जब आप चेंज करेंगे then that becomes indirect speech. For example, I am reading here. रीमा said, I want to buy a new car. Okay, रीमा ने कहा I want to buy a new car. तो रीमा ने कहा I want to buy a new car. Now look at here. Here is inverted commas. This is रीमा ने कहा I want to buy a new car. उसके वर्ड्स उसके अकॉर्डिंग हो रहे हैं. रीमा said I want to buy a new car. And this is this is direct speech. Okay, why? There is comma for separating both sentences. Rima said, this is comma. And what she said is in the inverted commas. Okay. Then this is direct speech. Rima ne kaha. This is reporting verb. And whatever is in the brackets, in the inverted commas, what is that? That is reported speech. So this is direct speech. Now I am changing it. Rima said that. Rima ने कहा कि. Now removing inverted commas and this comma, we have put here that as a conjunction. Rima said that. Rima ने कहा कि. Rima said that she wanted I. In place of I, written here she, because Rima is she. She wanted. Now look at here. Said is simple past tense, second form of the verb. When there is past tense, past, simple past, then this verb also change into simple past. Second form, this is also second form. She wanted to buy a new car. Okay, Rima said that she wanted to buy a new car. This is direct speech and this is indirect speech. Okay, now points to remember. Remember, I just said direct speech is always enclosed within inverted commas. Look at here, inverted comma. And this is direct speech. Now, in a direct speech, a comma is used to separate the reported speech from the reporting verb. I just said this is reporting verb and this is reported speech. For separating this, a comma has been put there. In a indirect speech, no inverted commas and no comma is used to separate the reported speech from the reporting verb. Now look at it. There is no comma used क्योंकि हमने उसको ज्वाइन कर दिया, चेंज कर दिया. into which? into indirect speech में चेंज किया है. नेक्स्ट, in indirect speech, the tense of the reporting verb is never changed. ध्यान दीजिएगा, change, whatever change you are doing, that will be only in a within the inverted commas. What is there, that will be changed. But in reporting verb, verb never change. Reporting verb never change. While changing the direct speech into indirect speech, tenses, personal pronouns, possessives, and words denoting time and place are changed with certain rules. अब जो हम चेंज करते हैं, चाहे वो डायरेक्ट हो, हम उसको चेंज करते हैं इनडायरेक्ट में, तो हमें कुछ हमें रूल्स को फॉलो करना पड़ता है, कुछ हमें और चीज़ें जाननी पड़ती हैं. एंड कंजक्शन, वी हैव यूज्ड हियर दैट एज अ कंजक्शन, हमें कंजक्शन भी लगाना पड़ता है. बट वन थिंग मोर, व्हेन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, दिस इज रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, व्हेन रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस और इन सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस, लाइक दिस, सिंपल पास्ट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस किसमें होती है बच्चों? सिंपल प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस, सिंपल प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस, सिंपल प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस. तो क्या होता है, तो वर्ब चेंज नहीं होता. मीन्स सेज है तो सेज रहेगा. वैसे तो सेज टू को टेल्स में चेंज करते हैं. ओके, सेज रिमेन्स सेज, बट सेज टू बिकम्स टेल्स. But the verb will not change in a indirect speech. Okay, now next, these you have to you can write in your copy also. Okay, whatever I am underlining, you will write in your copy. Okay, so these all you will write in your copy. Is MR becomes was were becomes had been becomes had been, no change. Okay, no change. Has, have, had, no change. Do, does, did, and verb first form becomes had plus verb third form. Had done, no change. Will, would, shall, should. Will, shall, would, should. May, can, might, and could. Would, should, might, no change. Okay, could, ought to, used to, must. इसको these verb can change into had to and would have to. Now, when there is any जनरल और यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, क्या होता है बच्चों? कोई ट्रूथ हो, सच्ची बात हो, जो सच है, ट्रूथ नेवर चेंज. तो द टीचर सेड टू हर स्टूडेंट्स, द अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. द अर्थ, बच्चों, said to becomes told, said to becomes told, said to change into told. As I said, says to change into tells, says to change into tells, and said to change into told. So the teacher told her students that the earth rotates. देखिए बच्चे, rotates, नॉट चेंज. रोटेटेड नहीं कि अर्थ है एक्सिस पर पहले घूमती थी अब कहीं और घूमती है. नहीं 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 नहीं, दिस इज ट्रूथ, यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ, सो इट विल रिमेन अनचेंज्ड. नेक्स्ट, सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस in time clauses do not normally change. Look, Rahul said, when we were living in Mumbai, we often went to Marine Drive. Rahul said that. When we change into Rahul, means Rahul does not live alone, his family. So we plural. So in place of he, they will be used here. They were लिविंग. अब वर है ना, इसको हम हैड बीन लिविंग नहीं करेंगे. तो वर लिविंग इन मुंबई, ऑफन, मुंबई, we they often went to Marine Drive. It means the main verb may either remain unchanged or become past perfect tense. यानी कि जब इस तरह की बातें होती है, तो जब क्लॉजेस में हो, किस में हो? क्लॉजेस. क्लॉज है ना ये, हम जब रहते थे तब हम जाते थे, तो क्लॉज क्लॉज में होती है तो हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है। कंडीशनल, शी सेड इफ आई वर अ बर्ड आई वुड फ्लाई अराउंड। शी सेड दैट, इफ देखिए दैट एज अ कंजक्शन, that as a conjunction, that as a conjunction, that if is written there, so if is here, I means she said, उसने कहा कि मैं, यानी कि वो, she, वर। बच्चों वर मीन्स क्या होता है? You will say past tense, no, if I were a bird, this sentence is a optative sentence, उसकी ये विश है, अगर मैं काश में बर्ड होती तो मैं उड़ती रहती, तो काश में बर्ड होती, जो कि कभी भी ये कंडीशन होने वाली नहीं है, तो इसको अनचेंज करते हैं। इफ शी वर अ बर्ड शी वुड फ्लाई अराउंड। The reported speech describe a situation which exists when speech is reported. ध्यान से, Mihir said the workshop is for 2 days. अब this sentence is looking a true sentence, means ये बात होगी। तो देखिए मिहिर सेड दैट द वर्कशॉप इज फॉर 2 days, ये कुछ सच बात है। उसने कहा कि वर्कशॉप 2 दिन के लिए है, तो उसकी बात को हम यूं ही कहेंगे, 2 दिन के लिए थी नहीं कहेंगे, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, चेंज इन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ टाइम एंड प्लेस। ध्यान से, लर्न दीज ऑल, लर्न दीज ऑल, ध्यान से, दिस बिकम these, this becomes that, and these becomes those, here becomes there, herein becomes therein, now becomes then, ago becomes before, today becomes that day, tonight becomes that night, yesterday the previous day, tomorrow the next day, and the next day becomes the following day, the day before yesterday, the day before the previous day, the day after tomorrow, the day after the next day, last night, the previous night, next week, the following week, this afternoon, that afternoon. So please, my dear students, you have to write down these all and you have to learn these all. Okay? And this is a very lengthy chapter, but don't worry. First, I am doing these sentences, okay? Ravi said, we are leaving for Bangalore by flight this evening. So, what is the answer? Ravi said that they were leaving for Bombay by flight that evening. Hema said, I have lost my diamond necklace. Hema said that she had lost her diamond necklace. Manu said to Vinny, I saw you at the library with your sister yesterday. Manu told Vinny that Manu means Manu means boy. Manu told Vinny that he had seen. Saw second form change into third form and that will be used. Had seen Vinny को देखा उसने, तो had seen her at the library with her sister the previous day. Manish told, said to becomes told. Here also said to becomes told. Manu told Vinny. Manish told his mother. But said to change into please. Please matlab request. When there is written please, then said to change into requested. Manish requested his mother to buy her a guitar. Karthik, now there is question mark. When there is question mark, then said to becomes asked. Karthik asked his sister. When there is helping verb, then that will not be used. Then what will be used? If or whether. Okay. So Karthik asked his sister if. Can will not be used here. Can will use after subject. Okay. Karthik asked his sister if. Sister mat you means sister. She. If she could. If she could lend him. Karthik is he. Him. Me change into Karthik. Him. Now again your is sister. Her pencil box. Mother said that there was no supply of electricity in the colony since the previous night. Rama asked Minnie if she would if she would help him with his physics lesson. Now one thing more, when you are changing now, then there will be full stop. In place of question mark, there will be full stop. Shefali requested, because there is please, requested us to come to her birthday party the next day. Raman asked his friend if he would come with him. Acha, come change into go. Okay, if he would go, come change into go. Not always, but many times. According to the sentence, you can change. Raman asked his friend if he would go with him to the canteen. Madhu advised. Madhu said to her sister, take an umbrella with you because it might rain. तो उसने कहा umbrella ले लो, बारिश हो सकती है. तो advised. Madhu advised her sister to take an umbrella with her because it might rain. Okay. But one thing is not given here, so I am writing here. So just look at it. Reporting verb. Reporting verb. Reported speech. Reporting verb, reported speech. Reported speech, first person. Reported speech, second person. Reported speech, third person. First person, change according to subject. And second person, change according to object. And third person, no change. Okay. Means याद रखिए 1 2 3 and SON 1 2 3 SON यानी कि सब फर्स्ट पर्सन होता है तो वो चेंज होता है सब्जेक्ट अकॉर्डिंग. जैसे कि ये वी फर्स्ट पर्सन क्या होते हैं फर्स्ट पर्सन आई वी and I, me, my, we are us. These are first person. Change according to what? According to subject. देखिए है ना रवि said तो we means they क्योंकि ये रवि बहुत सारे लोग हैं पूरी फैमिली दे हो गया. हेमा said ये I change according to हेमा means she. Okay. So second person is you. For example, you look at it you. तो you second person change according to Minnie. So Minnie is she. That's why I said here Rama asked Minnie if she. So you. And third person what is? You, your second object. Oh, second person. And third person he, she, it, they, him, his, her, they, them, their, it, its, all thing, all name, everything is third person. Means I, me, my, we are as first person. You, your second person. And except these, all subjects, all things are third person. Okay. You can write here. Interrogative form is changed into assertive form. I have just said here. Question देखिएगा. Reporting verb to change to verb such as demand, ask, inquire, question, want to know. You can change. Question with auxiliary verb do, does, did, is, am, are, was, ye. चेंज इनटू बाय यूजिंग वेदर और इफ। अगर इससे स्टार्ट होता है, जैसे कि विल था और कैन, तो हमने ये विल, तो हमने क्या करा बच्चों, हमने वेदर या इफ लगाया था। क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है तो वेदर या इफ लगाते हैं और आस्क में चेंज करते हैं। WH क्वेश्चंस आर चेंज द वर्ड, ऑर्डर इज द सेम एज द स्टेटमेंट। अभी समझाएंगे आगे। विल और शेल चेंज इनटू, ये भी वेदर इफ के अकॉर्डिंग ये भी आएगा। जब विल शेल होंगे, देखो विल था ना, हमने इफ लगाया था, विल था हमने इफ या वेदर लगाया था, कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं। ओके, कैन एंड मे, ये भी हम वेदर इफ लगाएंगे। अभी देखो यहाँ पे कहाँ कैन था, है ना, कैन था, तो हमने यहाँ पर इफ लगाया था, वेदर भी लगा सकते हैं। ओके, आई थिंक इट इज ओवर फॉर टुडे. Next I will explain tomorrow.